In today's video, I'm going to teach you Click Journals. This workflow is designed to be simple and fast, so you can focus on capturing your thoughts without getting lost in menus or formatting. Start by clicking Journals. As soon as you do, your workspace will open to a fresh entry for today. You'll see today's date at the top, which confirms you're writing in the right place. No need to create or name a new page for each day. The date is handled for you automatically, keeping your daily notes neatly organized. With your journal open, begin typing your notes using bullet points. Bullets are perfect for quick, readable entries, ideas, tasks, reflections, and decisions, because they keep everything concise and scannable. Think of each bullet as a single idea. Short phrases work better than long sentences, and separating topics into their own bullets makes it easier to skim later. If you're capturing a meeting, for example, you can jot down highlights as individual bullets, then add details as subpoints when needed. To add structure within the page, indent with the Tab key. Indenting turns a bullet into a sub-bullet, which helps you group related thoughts under a main idea. This is great for breaking a big topic into action items, notes, and follow-ups, or for documenting a project with milestones and details layered underneath. Using indentation thoughtfully makes your journal more organized, without any extra tools, just a simple hierarchy that mirrors how you think. Whenever a note relates to another topic or page, create links with double square brackets. Type the text you want to link, then wrap it in, drop-down to turn it into a reference. For example, if you're planning work on a topic, write it as Q1 Roadmap or Budget Review. If a page with that name already exists, the link will connect to it. If it doesn't, the link acts as a placeholder you can visit and fill out later. Linking like this helps you build a network of notes, making it easy to jump between related ideas and avoid duplicating information. It also makes your daily entries more powerful, since you can tie today's thoughts back to ongoing projects or past decisions. That's the whole flow. Click Journals, let today's page open automatically, capture your thoughts as bullet points, add structure by indenting with Tab, and connect ideas by creating links within. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and your journal will become both a daily log and a navigable knowledge base.